What's up, YouTube? This is Brian Pfeiffer of MarketingMeathead.com, and welcome to my YouTube channel. This channel is all about making money online. I do everything from affiliate marketing to Amazon FBA to Shopify. We even do a little bit of SEO on this channel. I do own a bunch of authoritative websites, and I have a real nice niche I make a lot of money in, and we do really well with affiliate marketing. I'm a ClickBank Platinum partner for 2019. That's a ClickBank Platinum affiliate, so not a offer owner, but actually an affiliate. And I actually did earn one of those awards in the first half of 2019. And we teach people how to do all the things that make money online for us. We've been successful affiliates for many years. I've had a lot of online businesses and websites for a number of years. I've been in the business for almost about 15, 16 years now. So I have a lot to teach, and I do a lot of how-to stuff. I'm not big into just making videos to try to get rankings and whatnot. I'd rather show my audience a lot of stuff actually that I'm doing in my journey to make money and what's working now, that type of stuff. So I'm not just trying to go out there and get a bunch of views to grow this channel. Of course, I want this channel to grow, but at the same time, I'm not going to go out there and make a bunch of cheesy videos. That's just not what this channel is about. If you are into Amazon FBA, I do have a lead magnet for you below on how to do a launch campaign. If you're into Shopify, I have a lead magnet below on how to do spying for Shopify. If you are into affiliate marketing, I actually have a free course for you, but I also do have a landing page guide below for you to go ahead and get onto my email list. And then if you're just into online marketing in general, I have a PDF on how to do ManyChat and the 11 features of ManyChat, so you can understand how that works for your business online. So go ahead and get on my email list below. I do have a bunch of free awesome lead magnets that I made over the last year, and I do have a free course on affiliate marketing. I do have a link below for that. That's online, or you can download the PDF if you prefer to look at it like that. I also have a paid course that we came out with, just did a soft release in the middle part of 2019. It's called the Lead Gen Affiliate System. I do have a link for that below if you'd like to read the sales letter and what that's all about. I'm not going out here trying to hard sell people. If you're interested in what I'm doing here online, you like the channel, you like my stuff, go ahead and take the free course. If you like the free course and you like the content in the free course and you feel like you want to advance your marketing skills online and take it to the next level and get some of the results that we've gotten, we've done numbers well into the seven figures. We're over 1.5 million last year, and we'll probably be over maybe 2 million this year in terms of our revenue. Now, that doesn't count all the expenses and whatnot, but we do have a lot of really valuable stuff we teach in the course. It's not something that we're just going to give away for free, unfortunately, and we spent a lot of money to get the knowledge, and we include a lot of landing pages and funnels and images and whatnot that you guys can take and run with. So you get a lot of value in that paid course. It's not just not just a bunch of content. It's a lot of actual executable, media and assets, we call them around here. So, but that's pretty much what this channel is about. I'm glad you landed on this channel. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Bang that notifications bell. That's what I like to say. Make sure you like this video. Leave me a comment below. I'd like to welcome you to my channel, and I'd like to start a conversation with you, find out a little bit more about you. And if you got anything you'd like me to cover, go ahead and leave me a comment below, and I'll go ahead and I'll put it into the hopper here and see if I can do a video on it. Maybe there's some other people that want to know about that topic as well. So I'm glad you're here. I'm excited that you're going to be a part of my vision going forward here and building this channel and giving out awesome content. I'm the Marketing Meathead. We'll talk to you later. Thank you.